Hi everyone. Hi, today we are going to discuss. First, we will see what we have discussed in previous section. Okay, we have discussed about all the tags what we are going to use most relatively and what we are going to use in our web browsers. Okay, so we had seen all the tags and we had seen list how to use and how to create lists. Today we are going to see how we can create tables. After that, we will go to our important topic CSS. Okay. So just it's a little bit we have left in HTML, so we'll just discuss on this topic and we'll go to CSS. Okay. So first we will start with tables. HTML tables allow web developers to arrange data in rows and columns. Okay. So if we arrange a data in rows and columns, it's much clearer than when we create list or order list or unorder list, right? So if I want to know first name, last name, age in different rows and different columns, we are not able to do with or lists, right? Whether we use order list or unorder list, we are not able to do. So that's why they came up with tables. So the table tag defines an HTML table here. Okay, I have given here. This is the table tag. So first, when we are working on tables, we are going to use table tag inside the body tag. Okay, why we are using table tag? Because the table tag is going to define an HTML table. So in HTML, if you want to work with a table, you have to always start with an HTML table. Okay. Each table row is defined with a tr tag. Okay. Here we are going to use three tags inside our table tag again. First, we are going to give table tag inside our body tag, and then we are going to use again three tags inside our table tag. Okay. But in previous two sections, we had used only single tag for whatever we want to do, right? Except lists. In list we have used two tags, OL tag and LI tag, UL tag and LI tag, right? But here we are going to perform with four tags totally when we are working on tables. First tag is table tag, second tag is table row tag, which is nothing but TR tag, third tag is nothing but TH tag, which shows table header, and fourth tag is a TD tag, which is nothing but an table cell or data. Okay, so by default the th tag is going to be contain bold and centered. You can able to see here, right? First name, last name and age, these all I have given inside the th tag. That's why they are centered in entire column or box. Okay, when we are performing td tag, by default the text elements are going to be regular and left aligned. See, you are able to see, right? Jill, Smith, Eve, Jackson, everything at the left aligned and regular. It's not in bold or it's not in italic. It's like normal text. First, we will work with this and we will go through remaining topics. Okay. Just I will go through Visual Studio Code. Just I will remove this. Okay. Just I will open table tag. Okay. Table tag, and inside the table tag, first we have to use tr tag, right? because tr tag is going to represent the rows of the table. Inside the row tag, I am going to give head of the table. So I will use th. Okay. Here we are going to show first row. I am going to show head of the table. So I use the th tag. So I want to give th tag as first name. Okay. First name. And then I will give second name. Okay. And then I will give age. Okay, after first row, in second row I want just I am opening second row tag, which is nothing but tr tag. In second row I want show data, so just I will give td, so which is nothing but which shows the data into the row. So here I will give first name, I will give as eve. Okay, again I am giving data, so that's why I am using dt tag. Here I will give Jackson. Okay, and I have to show age, right? So I will give again td tag. So these are I am showing in second row. That's why I am using again tr tag and I am giving data into second row. That's why I am using td tag. Okay. So just I will give age as 94. Okay. Now I want to go for third row and I want to show the data. So again I am giving tr tag which shows the row of the table, and again I am using td tag which shows data in our table. Here I will use just first name as Jill, and again I will open, I am again giving data, so I am opening data tag which is nothing but td tag and I am closing it. Here I will use Smith, and then I will give age as 50. Okay, just I will go there and I will refresh the page, so you are able to see the result. See, these are all things what we had seen in previous section. So just I am refreshing the page. See, you are able to see, right? First name, second name, age, and what I had given in td tags are showing here, right, in this left edge. You are able to see the table, but it's inappropriate, right? So we want to get like table like structure with separating rows and columns. Then we have to use some css, so that we will work when we are working with css. Okay, or else I will show no because it's just one word. We are going to use border inside the table tag. Okay, which is nothing but the attribute what we have shown here in order list. See here I said right, type is an attribute which shows the which type we are going to use in our order list, whether it is alphabets, capitalized alphabets, small alphabets, or mathematical 1 2 3 and everything. Okay, so in the same way we are going to use border attribute here to represent, to separate rows and columns in lines. So just I will use border and I will give 1, so we will see what's going to be happen. Okay, just I will go through the Visual Studio Code. Just here inside the table I am giving the border attribute. See border, and I am going to give 1. Okay, now I will refresh it. Okay, see now you are able to see, right, It's separating rows and columns, but it's same size what it's had before. When we use border, without using border, it's the same size. So how we can get it as bigger table? For that we are going to use style. Okay, just I will give inside the style when we want to use width and everything, we are going to discuss in CSS. Okay, just as of now I am going to use style tag. It's not a tag, it's an attribute. So style attribute, and I will give width equal to 100%. Okay, just we will see the output. Okay, just I will go through Visual Studio Code. See, inside the table only we are going to give, right? So now here I will open style and I will give width. Okay, width equal to 100%. Yeah, just I will go there and I will refresh it. Just I will refresh the page. See, you are able to see, right? Now it's occupying 100%. If you don't want that much, you can use 50, 70, whatever we want to use. How much we want to show in that page, how much place we want to show the table, we can use. Okay, so just I will reduce 100% as 50%. Okay, just I will reduce it and we will see. Just I will change this as 50%. Okay, just I will refresh the page. See, it's changed. In the same way, if I am taking two numbers in a telephone, so in telephone row I am going to take two numbers. In that time I want split rows into two columns. Sorry, single row into two rows. At that time we can use a row span. Okay, it is an attribute which we are going to use in TD or TH according to our wish. Okay, just we will go to Visual Studio Code and we will see it. Okay, just I will go there and I will use row span. Okay, see in TH I will use row span. Okay, for first name. Okay, see row span. I want to span that row into two rows, so I am giving just two, and then I will give, I had given first name, right? So here I will give, yeah, okay, just I will refresh the page and we will see the output now. Sorry guys. Yeah, what it happens if I use border equal 5, nothing is going to be changed. The border thickness will going to be increased. Okay, just first we will see the row span and we will see what happens if we are going to see. You know, it had changed, right? See, inside the first heading tag I had given row span equal to, right? That's why first name had changed into two rows. Okay, now we will see by changing border equal 5 and we will see the difference. Okay, just I am changing border equal 5. Okay, and we will see the output. See, the thickness of the border has increased, right? So there is not going to be any change with border. If you use border equal to 1, then it's going to separate our rows and columns with lines. Okay, now we will go with CSS. The main topic of our first chapter is CSS. So we will see it. what is the CSS stands for? CSS is nothing but cascading style sheets. Okay, it is used to format the layout of our web page. Up to now we had seen how to use tags, which is nothing but HTML. It's all about HTML. Up to now what we had seen is an HTML. But now we are going to use CSS. CSS is nothing but what we had done. So if I want to change color of the text, I want to add background, or I want to increase the font size, we can do everything by using CSS only. Okay. So CSS saves a lot of work. It can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. So it's the main purpose of CSS is to shape out our web page. We can add if we want, we can, if I am scrolling something, right, in a previous section we had discussed about scrolling some message in our web page. So if I want to give color background when I am scrolling, if I want to give black background, okay, I can give. If I want to change text color as violet, I can change. So by using CSS only, you can able to change everything whatever we want for HTML. Okay. So with CSS, we can control the color, font, the size of the text, the spacing between elements, how elements are positioned and laid out, and background images. We can even change our background colors and different displays for different devices and screen sizes and much more. We can do everything with using CSS, whatever we want. Okay. So there are three ways of using CSS. Okay. We can mostly everyone will work with, as a beginner everyone will work with internal CSS and inline CSS. We will use these two. Okay. When we are an advanced web developer, if we want to share your web page to someone, or if you want to give your code to someone, at that time we will use external CSS to prevent our user or everyone to not show our CSS, because CSS is most important thing, right? So that's the main thing which shapes our web browser. As of now, we had seen black lines or black text and white page background, right? But with using CSS only, we can change everything. So CSS is the most important thing. Okay. Yeah. So there are three types of implementing CSS. One is inline CSS, second one is internal CSS, third one is external CSS. First we will see inline CSS. Okay. See, you are able to see, right? Here I have given some one line of code. So here P is nothing but P tag, and style is a attribute. Inside this style I had given color red. So the some text is going to be changed as red color. Okay, here I am changing the text color. That's why I had used style attribute to change the color of the text, and I had given color equal to red, or color colon red. So which is I am saying to the p tag that change this text color as red. Okay, this is nothing but an inline CSS. Why we are calling it an inline CSS? Because I had given inside the tag, right? So you are able to see this is p tag. I had given inside the p tag. So that's why we are calling it as inline CSS. Okay. Just we will go there and we will work on inline CSS. Okay. Just I will remove this table. Okay. Just I will give h1. This is a heading. Okay. So I want, just we will see output first. Okay. And then we will do inline CSS for that. Just I will refresh it. See, it's in black and bold, right? This is a heading. So just I will go there and I will use CSS. Okay. I will use inline CSS. So I will use style. When we are using inline CSS, we are going to use style. Okay. So just I am giving style, and now I want to change the color, right? So just I will give color. So I want to change it as aqua. So just I give an aqua. So now I will go there and we will see whether it had the text of this h1 tag is changed or not. Okay. Just I am refreshing this. See, it's changed, right? So this is the main purpose of using CSS. Now I had used inline CSS, okay? So now I will increase text, okay? Instead of increasing, no, instead of changing color, just I will go there. Instead of giving color, I will give height, okay? Just I will give height, and then I will give 30 dp, okay? Just I will refresh the page. Okay, it's same size and nothing has been changed for height, okay? Now we will work with internal CSS, okay? So for internal CSS we have to include another tag, that is style tag. As of now we have used style inside our tags, which is nothing but an internal CSS. For when we are working with table also, I have given style tag inside the h1 tag, right? No, sorry, table tag, right? So for internal CSS we are going to include another tag inside the head tag. As of now we had given only title inside the head tag, right? So now we are going to give style inside the head tag. In that style tag we are going to give our HTML codes. Whatever we want we can use. So as of now just I had given h1. So here I had used inside the body, I had used h1 tag. So for every h1 wherever we use it in our web page, everything is applied by these two lines, okay? So just I had given text alignment center color red, okay? So I am saying to the h1 tags that the text is going to be at center of the web page and color of our h1 tags is going to be red, okay? So just we will go there and we will work with internal CSS. Just we are learning what is inline CSS, internal CSS and external CSS, okay? So inside head I am opening style tag and I am closing the tag. Inside the style tag I am giving h1 and columns, okay? Why I am giving h1? Because here I use h1 tag, so I want to change for h1 tag, okay? And I will give h2, okay? But I am not changing the h2 tag, okay? Just I will give, this is a heading, okay? Inside the h1 tag I want to align this text at the center and I want to change the color of the text. So just I am giving text alignment, this is nothing but center and color. I want to give color as red, okay? Just I will give red, okay? Here I am working with only h1 tag, that's why I had given h1 inside the style tag, okay? I am not changing any h2 tag, so it remains black and left aligned, okay? Just we will go there and we will see it, okay? Just I will refresh this page. So you are able to see, right? This is h1 tag and this is h2 tag. So h1 tag is at center and its color has been changed. Why it's changed? Why it's center aligned? Because in style tag I had given h1 colon, inside I had given two things, two attributes. What are those attributes? One is text alignment attribute and second one is color, right? So I am changing color and I am saying to the text that center inside the web page, okay? Now I will implement this for h2 tag, okay? Just we will go there and we will implement for h2 tag. So now I want to use h2 tag. How we can use? Just by giving downside h2 h1 tag. Okay, just I am opening h2 tag. Just I want to implement both same, but I will change the color of h2 just to differentiate. Okay, so I want change this as blue. Okay, just I am changing the text color. So now we'll go there and we'll see whether h1 and h2 both are changed or not. Okay, just I will refresh the page. See, both are coming at center, but I had given h1 and h2, so both the headings are different, and I had used text alignment and color. So both tags has changed their colors, right? So that's the main purpose of using CSS. We can modify everything or in which way we want to modify it. And external CSS. External CSS, we will use an external style sheet. Okay, for inline CSS and internal CSS, we are going to work within the same page. Okay, but for external CSS, we are going to use an external page. Okay, but we have to bring it in our main page, right? We are working with an we are creating another CSS page and we are working there instead of working in same page, but we have to get that another CSS page into our main page, right? So where that links comes from. Okay, here link is going to be helpful. We will use a link rel, which is nothing but we are saying that what the relation is a style sheet we are calling here, and we are going to use href. Href we will use when we are giving links, when we are discussed with a tag, which is nothing but an link tag. We have discussed about href, right? So here we will use the file name. Here I have given my file name as style.css, right? That's why I had given href equal to, in double quotes I have given style.css, and type I am saying that it's test/css. Okay, so just we will go there and we'll create a document called style.css, and then we will view. Okay, okay, just I have created style.css, an external file. So I want to bring this file inside. Okay, inside my CSS file. Sorry guys for the interruption. Okay, I had created an external style sheet. Just I will remove this here. Okay, just I will copy this and I will paste there. Okay, just yeah, just I will go there. When we are performing with our CSS file, we no need to give any style tag. Okay, just I'm Just I will remove this style tag. Okay, I will put all things in order. If it's not in order also it will work fine, but just I'm keeping in order. It's not a big deal. Now there I will call this file. Okay, just I'm saying link, and after link I'm saying I'm using rel, which is I'm saying that style sheet. Okay, style sheet, and I'm giving the file name. So inside the harf I'm giving the file name, which is nothing but style.css, style.css, and then I am giving type. What is our file type? It is text slash css. Okay, just I am giving type. So text slash css, and I will close the link. Okay, now we will go there and we will refresh it whether it's working or not. We will see. See, it's working, right? Now I will change the text color, then we will find the difference. Okay, just I will change the color of both the text. Just I will change this as green, and I will change this blue as, and then I will add another tag, that is h3 tag. Okay, just to find out the difference whether it's working, our external CSS is working or not. Okay, this is a heading. Okay, just I will go there and I will refresh it. So you are able to see the color is changing, and h3 tag also came, right? So that's all about internal CSS, external CSS, and inline CSS. I think you are able to find the difference between all the all CSS types. The inline CSS we are going to give inside our tags. See, here I use style inside my p tag. Here I had given style tag, and then inside the style tag I am using whatever I want change. I am giving whatever I want change. But in external CSS, I am creating a new file, which is an extension of .css, and I am typing every CSS thing there, and I am just calling that file inside my HTML file. Okay, so that's the main difference. Okay, this already we had done. So in CSS3 you have new features: media queries, rounded corners, text effects, animations, colors and gradients, pseudo classes and everything. We will discuss these all things when we are performing the project. Okay, CSS3 features, and we have left out something here, right? HTML5 tags. These two topics we will discuss when we are performing with our project. Okay, now we will see link, how you can change links. See, inside the a tag I have given by using harf, you can give our links, right? So just by giving http :/google.com, you can now able to open Google, right? See, I have given visit Google name. So whatever you want to give, you can give every name whatever you want. Okay, if I click this, the new Google page is going to be open. Okay, and if you want to copy some link and you want to paste it, you can do that also. So link is up to you. You can give any link whatever you want to open by clicking. For buttons also you can use this herf. We will discuss that, okay, later. I think we had seen when we are performing with A. So we will discuss how to change the colors. By default a link will appear in like this in all browsers, right? Like visit Google. Name is different but link is going to be appear like that. An unvisited link is an underline and blue color. A visitor link is underline and purple. An active link is underline and red. So in normal browsers we are able to see three colors, right, for links. One is blue, one is purple, and the third one is red. But we can change all these colors by using our CSS. Okay. See here given how we can change our link color. Okay. Just I have given h2 link color, so it's a heading tag, and I am giving one image. Okay, inside herf tag I had given some image. I had downloaded that, and I had given that link name as images. See, you are able to see here, right? So here I am want change link colors. So I had given a colon link. So I am changing the link inside the a tag, right? So that I am saying that a colon link. So I am changing the color of the link. So I had given color green, background color transparent, text decoration none. So here border is going, the text background is going to be transparent. So if we kept image background, so it's mixed with our image background. Okay, if we had remain it white page, it's going to be mixed with our white page. Okay, that's the main purpose of using transparent. So I have not given any text decoration. If you want give, you can give. Okay, so the normal link we are going to show in green color, and a visited link. So if he open that link, then it's the link is going to appear in brown color. A hover is nothing but if he went near to the link is going to be changed in red color. Okay, that's the where we are going to use hover and active link. See, if he opened that link, if he came back to see which color the link is, actually it's going to be red, right? But we are going to change it as pink. Okay, just I will copy this and I will paste there because it will take a lot of time if I type each and everything. So just I copy it here. Just I will open Visual Studio Code and I will paste it. Okay. Just I am removing this. Just I am opening style tag because I am going to give inside style tag. So I have pasted everything. Okay, just I will give a link here. Okay, just I am removing this. Just I will give link. So herf. I want you image tag. Okay. Just I will find some image and I will give it here. Okay, inside the herf tag. You can find one image and you can give it. Okay. Just I am downloading an image, so just wait few seconds. Yeah, just I am pasting here. And then I am giving the name of that link. Okay. I want give that as image. Image. Okay. Just we will go there and we will see how it look like. Okay. Just we will go through the browser. And we will see. See, it's in green color, right? See, if I went nearby the link, it's going to change as a red. Now I will open the link. Okay. it's working, but my file was not found. Okay, give me few seconds. I will just, I had given wrongly that image name, I think. Just we'll go there and we'll find out it. Yeah, just I am finding out what the mistake I had given. Okay. Yeah, I had forgot to give .png. Yeah, that's the problem. Yeah. So we'll go there and I will refresh the web page. Okay. I forgot to give .png. Okay. So my image format is .png. That's the fault. Just I will refresh it. See, now it's brown. Now I will open the image. Okay. See, you are able to see the image, right? Black background, and we are able to see the image. This is the image I had downloaded from Google. Okay. So just I want to go back. See, now it's showing gray color because I had already opened that. Before opening the image, it's a green color. If I go nearby the link, it's changing red, and if I open it, it's going to be in pink color. Okay, we are now we are able to see, we are not able to see because in the same page my image is opening, but when we are working with Java, we will open in another page our image. So at that time we are able to see when we open our link. Okay. Okay, that's it for today's section. In next section, we will talk about HTML images. So how we can implement, how you can import our images, and how you can use our image as a link and everything. Okay.